Hello students, how are you? Welcome to my channel Pooja Mathematics Academy. In the previous video, I have discussed some of basic concept of probability. In this video, I will discuss about some types of events in probability theorem. So at first, I will tell about possible event. So what is possible event? An event which is sure to occur at every performance of the experiment is called a certain event or possible event. So we can say in briefly, a certain event is an event that is sure to happen. Clear? So E is a certain event if and only if probability of E is equal to 1. Now, for example, in flipping a coin once, a certain event would be getting a head or a tail. So, in flipping a coin once, a certain event would be getting a head or a tail, right? Again, 1 or 2 or 3 or up to 6 is a certain event in connection with through a die. Clear? So what is impossible event? What is impossible events? So we can say events which cannot occur at any performance of the experiment. Such events will be called impossible events. So we can write events which cannot occur at any performance of the experiment. Such events will be called impossible event. Clear? For example, the event 7 can never be the result of throwing a die. Correct? And is thus an impossible event. That is, rolling a die for 7. Clear? Is an impossible event. So next, what is mutually exclusive events? We have to write the definition of mutually exclusive events. Correct? So in probability theory, two events are mutually exclusive or disjoint if they cannot both occur at the same time. Clear? So we can write in probability theorem two events are mutually exclusive or disjoint if they cannot both occur at the same time. Right? That is, in throwing a die, the events even phase and odd phase are mutually exclusive events. So, in throwing a die, even phase and odd phase, these two events are mutually exclusive events. Clear? Here we see that two simple events are always mutually exclusive, but compound events may or may not be so. So, the two compound events such as the event even phase and multiple of 3 two events even phase and multiple of 3 are not mutually exclusive because the result of the even phase is 2, 4 or 6 and the result of the event multiple of 3 are 3 or 6. So 6 is the common result of the two events. So even phase and multiple of 3, these two events are not mutually exclusive. So no more today. I will discuss about the next concept in the next video. So if you like this video, please comment me and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.